fancy and still on a budget. This boneless short rib is pure comfort food and the sauce is amazing. Season well on both sides, place on a kitchen paper towel for the meat to dry out a little bit. Sear on high heat until it looks something like this. Remove from the heat. Add the vegetables, a medley of carrots, celery, and onion. Cook for 5 minutes. Add a handful of garlic, a good amount of red wine. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of flour. Let them cook as well. You're gonna add lots of beef broth. When it comes back to a boil, you're gonna put the meat back. Add a bouquet of fresh oregano. These are from my garden. Add just the salt and pepper. Add more baby carrots for presentation. Cover and let it cook low and slow on top of the stove, or maybe in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit between 2 to 3 hours. Serve with the cheesy mashed potatoes that looks like this. And look at this sauce, so good. Give it a try, recipe in the caption below, and the full recipe is always on my YouTube channel, Dainty Bite.